Make money online with CPA marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing trick which you can use to go on to leveraging the CPAGrip right here and make some cool cash to how I'm actually making right here with CPAGrip or CPA marketing to be precise. And this is going to be an amazing, beginner friendly and 100% free strategy. All you need to do is to watch this video, learn and utilize the strategy to make some cool cash online. And basically guys, if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing and how to make money online. If you like such content, go to my channel. There are lots of videos that can help you go on to boosting your income online. You would also make sure guys you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is turned on all to get alerted whenever I do release some cool and amazing videos also that could help boost your income online. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video of today. The first thing which you actually want to do is to head onto this platform called CPAGrip, and you want to go on to creating an account on this platform. You just simply click on register. You'll be shown a list or a form which you just simply have to go on to filling out right there. Provide your basic details like your name, your email address, password and some other basic details right there. Agree to the terms of services and create an account. It's quite easy to do that. So once you do that guys, click on login and go on to login into your account. So as you can see right here, I'm logged into my account, and what you want to do is to come onto this section, click on offer tools, select my offers, be brought to this page, and you can filter your offers to any demographic, but make sure you do filter your offers to the United Kingdom demographic to select offers from this particular location. And you want to just simply scroll through, select kind of a sweepstake offer. This is a good one right here, which is actually for an Amazon gift card giveaway. You can see more details to the offer. There is a United Kingdom offer, as an Apple iOS offer, and also an email and zip submit offer, and the payout is actually $1.71. Here's your link to promoting this offer. So what you want to do right now is to copy this link right here, and you could go on to creating a landing page right now for this offer. You could just simply utilize this platform called the Google site to create a landing page. I'm not actually going to show you how to do that right here because I have videos for you that's actually going to explain how you could do just that right now. So basically what you want to do right there is to come onto my channel, click on this particular search icon, and you want to just simply search for a landing page. And if you do go on to searching for a landing page right now, you'll be able to see videos I created for you on how you could go on to creating a landing page. This one right here goes on to showing you how you could create a landing page with Google site. This one is for the systeme.io. This one is for the Google site also. This is for the Webflow, and you'll be able to see more cool and amazing ones right there that can actually help you go on to boosting your income online or creating a landing page by actually getting better conversions to your offer, because landing page helps you get better conversions to your offer. So what you want to do right now after creating your landing page is to promote your CPA marketing offer or landing page using some two cool and amazing websites right now. And the first platform right here is called the spiledeals.co.uk. And this is a platform right here where you can go on to see a lot of cool and amazing deals which you can actually take advantage of. You can see right here they're actually giving out some deals right here for maybe table, some jackets and a lot more other cool stuff right here. You can see the price attached to that right now. So just simply go on to grabbing hold of those deals right there and utilizing that right now. But if you want to just simply go on to promoting your offer, you want to just sign up to this platform, you'll be able to see a sign up icon in this particular section. You want to click on sign up. Once you sign up, you want to click on share deal. And once you do click on share deal right here guys, it's going to bring you to a page that will look similar to this right here, and you want to just simply go on to selecting either the deal, the voucher or the company review. So I'm going to select the voucher right now. Once I do select that, you want to paste in the link to your landing page right here. So guys, just simply paste in that link right here. You want to put the voucher value right now. So I'm just going to put in a random value, maybe about 500 euros. So if you put in something like this right now, you can then just simply click on next right here, and that's actually going to take you to the next page where you want to just simply upload an image right here, and you also want to just simply put in the coupon code right here. You can put in any code right now. For this price, which is actually optional, you can actually fix in a price right there, and you can actually go on to fixing in other stuff like title, description. Make sure in your description the link is also there because you can actually add and edit link right now. For the categories, you could select the categories which you want to just simply utilize right there. Select a category that actually resonates with the CPA marketing offer which you are actually promoting right now. Head back to this section, you want to just simply select the location and make sure you do turn on all locations right here, because all of them are locations right now available to the United Kingdom demographic right now. You would also go into inserting a start and end date for this right here. So just simply going to utilizing that right there, insert a start and end date that actually fits in your preference, then go on to creating your deal, and your deal will be listed among one of those in that particular homepage, because a lot of people do come on to visiting this site, and this site gets some cool traffic. And maybe if you want to just simply go to analyzing this site based on the similar web statistics, you actually do find out that this site right here actually got a lot of visits right here in the last 2 months right now. You can see the amount of visits it got in the last 2 months right here. This is actually from last month right now. You could actually see the most country that visit this website the most is the United Kingdom. So take this to your advantage and use this right here to go into getting some cool traffic to your CPA marketing offers. You could use another platform right here called the latestdeals.co.uk. So this right here, you also need to go on to sign up just like how we did in the previous platform, and you want to click on share also. Once you do click on share right now, you could actually go on to listing yours right here just like how we did right here by selecting the voucher right now. You want to paste in your voucher link, which is the link to your CPA marketing offer. Click on next right here. As you can see right here, it says your sharing machine, we are afraid I've actually reached the limit of my bargain today right now. So you just want to just follow the same and exact same strategies right here we actually did use for the previous platform right here, which is the spydeals.co.uk, and get your offers to a lot of audience in the United Kingdom and start making some cool cash with this. But this particular amount, the money which you're actually going to be making with this platform, is not going to come instantly. You need to be using this strategy consistently right here for about 2 weeks before your money starts popping in. So utilize this, stick on, and make some money online. Don't forget to head on to my channel to smash the subscribe button to the channel and ensure your notification bell is turned on all to get alerted for more videos. So thank you all for watching, and goodbye.